Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening settings so you can change how notifications appear. Swipe down twice from the top, tap the gear, then choose Notifications. This area controls banners, sounds, and app overrides. Once done, you'll see a list of recent apps and notification history. Make sure you understand the difference between system-level controls and per app settings, because changing the global switch mutes many alerts immediately. Now that you're in Notifications, move to customizing specific apps for pop-up behavior. You now pick the app you want to modify and tap it. Inside the app's notification page, choose Importance or Pop-up Style. This determines whether notifications appear as floating pop-ups, banners, or only in the tray. Once selected, set lock screen visibility and status bar icons to control exposure when locked or when Do Not Disturb is active. Make sure to toggle Allow Sound or Vibration if you want audible alerts. After adjusting one app, repeat for other apps that need different treatments. To finish, open Advanced or Notification categories for fine-grained control. Heads Up, Channels, and Reminders let you vary pop-ups per function. Once configured, trigger a test notification from the app or restart the phone to ensure changes apply consistently. If pop-ups don't appear, check Do Not Disturb, app battery optimization, and background activity permission. These often block pop-ups. If that still fails, clear the app cache or reinstall the app, because corrupted data can prevent notifications from displaying correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.